Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with another vacancy for you, that too in the King George Medical University with the post name of Senior Research Fellow, Senior Assistant and the Lab Technician. There are total 3 vacancy posts and the qualification required is MSc, MBBS, BDS, M.Pharma, M.Tech, Graduate, 12th, Diploma and even the MA, Masters. Last date is 25th Feb of this year. KGMU job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 3 Senior Research Fellow, Research Assistant and the Lab Technician, that too on the official website which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career with the KGMU University can have a walk-in application on or before 25th Feb of this year. Qualification in detail, that is for the Senior Research Fellow, that is the MSc Life Sciences or MA in Social Sciences, Master in Social Work, that is MSW degree, holders with 2 years of research experience or the MBBS or the BDS or MBSc or M.Pharma or M.Tech degree holders. Second post is the Research Assistant, that is the graduate in science with the relevant subject from the recognized university with the 3 years of the work experience from the recognized institution or the master degree in the relevant subject. The Lab Technician, 12th pass in science subject and 2 years of diploma in medical laboratory technician or PMW or radiology or related subject or 1 year of DMLT plus 1. Important part is apana sapna money, that is the salary detail. For the Senior Research Fellow is rupees 44,450 per month. Research Assistant will have the salary of rupees 31,000 per month and Lab Technician will have the salary of rupees 18,000 per month. Age limit, definitely it is available. For the Senior Research Fellow, the age limit is 35 years. For the Research Assistant, the age limit is 30 years. And for the Lab Technician also, the age limit is 30 years. Selection process is based upon the walk-in interview. And now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates along with their brief CV and self-attested copies of the degrees, mark sheets, experience certificate, testimonial shall be submitted to the HOD, Department of Ops and Gynae, KGMU Lucknow, that is kgmu.org on or before 25th February of this year. Date is 1st March and last date to apply is the 25th Feb of this year. So all the very best for your interview as well as for this vacancy. You can apply and thank me later on. Don't forget to hit the like button to this video. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel, and if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.